Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to off app notification in Vivo Y53s phone. Guys, you want to off your app notifications, so you can off it. In this video guys, I will show you how to off app notifications. Let's see how to off it. First of all, come in your phone setting. Guys, click on notifications. Guys, click on app setting. Which app notification guys you want to off? Example for guys like Facebook, share me guys, Instagram, KineMaster, YouTube, Chrome notifications guys you can off from here guys. Which app guys you want to off your notifications, so guys you can off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to off app notification in Vivo Y53s phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.